In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your liftgate bracket on your Chevy HHR. It's located on your liftgate. You're going to want to support your liftgate with a pole jack of some sort, or maybe have somebody hold it up for you, because we are going to disconnect the piston in order to get to this part. To begin, after you've supported your liftgate, you're going to put a pick or a screwdriver in here, and you're going to pull this little ring out. Once you get something under there, you can take it off and set that down. And now we're going to use a 10mm socket and remove these two bolts. So now you're just going to match up where it was. Just use the marks on your vehicle and get your bolt started. When you tighten it down, you're going to make sure this bracket is exactly where it was before, and that'll make sure everything lines up right. So I'm going to shimmy it over a little bit. And now we're going to just tighten it down. Now we're going to push this back on. You're going to remove your pole jack after it's pushed on. Once it's in, you're going to give it a test, make sure everything works right. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.